Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks, and I've made a couple videos about this, but this might show it off even better. Somebody was wanting to have these interlocking rectangles. Well, probably the easiest way to do is take the two rectangles and just make it about that size, covering everything. You've got it selected, then hold down the Shift key and select the green one. We're going to go to intersect. I wish I would have set my nudge factor a little bit faster or a little bit higher. Let's make it like 5 inches. Then we're going to take that intersect version and move it out of the way. We don't even need the rectangle anymore. Well, unless you want to use it for the other side. But then we're going to take the green and go to Object and Order and put it to the back of page. But now when we bring this back over, it appears that the green is going over. So we would want to do the same thing for this, so we'll just do it again. You've got the rectangle or the square selected. Hold down the Shift key and select the green and go intersect. Move that out of the way. This time we can get rid of our rectangle. It's already to the back of the page, so now we can just go and put it there and go to Object, Order, Front of Page. So it looks like the green and the blue are interchanging. You can do that numerous times on numerous things, and it should work every time. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.